Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we will dive into two exciting AI-powered crypto trading tools, BONKbot and Autosnipe AI. Both are designed to simplify and enhance your trading experience, but which one is actually better for your needs? Let's just find out in today's video. First, let's talk about Autosnipe AI. So, Autosnipe AI focuses on trading meme tokens on Solana using advanced AI to detect early opportunities, scam detection, and rug pull protection, whereas BONKbot simplifies trading by allowing instant transactions directly through Telegram with a focus on speed and security. I've also created this table for you for a better understanding regarding the features of Autosnipe AI and BONKbot. First, if we talk about the primary focus, so Autosnipe AI is based on the meme token trading on Solana, whereas on BONKbot is simplified trading with the help of Telegram. Now, if we talk about the AI integration, so in Autosnipe AI, you will surely get the AI benefits like risk detection, scam protection, and the AI optimized priority fees. Whereas in BONKbot, you will have to do all of these things on your own. You won't get the AI powered tools in BONKbot. Now we talk about the security features. In Autosnipe AI, you will get scam AI, rug pull detection, honeypot detection as well. So whereas in BONKbot, you will get mere protection via Gito Labs and the AES 256 encryption. If we talk about the unique tools, so in Autosnipe AI, you will get the copy trading tools from the top traders, whereas in BONKbot, you will get deep links for the direct token access. If we talk about the speed, which is crucial while uh, trading meme coins, so in Autosnipe AI you will get fast tailored for high frequency trading, which too will be optimized with the help of AI, whereas in BONKbot you will get instant execution by just pasting your token addresses, and you will have to give some more commands in order to purchase the coin on BONKbot. Now, both BONKbot and Autosnipe AI brings unique strengths to the table. Autosnipe AI is perfect for those who want full control and deep analysis, while BONKbot is ideal for traders who are looking for speed and simplicity. So let us know in the comments which one would you prefer, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, you can check out the link that is given in the description for more resources. See you in the next one.